So one of the things that you can do with Jotform is you can go ahead and embed out your form in WordPress. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go to the Publish section, and then over here on the left hand side, you can click on Embed. And here you can see that WordPress is an option right here. So you can see a simple embed code that you can go ahead and copy. And then what you can simply do is go to WordPress space right here. So let's just go ahead and type in sample right here. And I'm going to choose a block right here. And I'm going to choose an embed block right here, just like this. Once I do that, I can simply paste this particular embed code. I can simply go ahead and remove the embed right here on the front and back. I don't actually need that. And then I can click on embed. So once I go ahead and do that, seems like I mistyped the URL right here. So let's just go ahead and embed it. And once you do that, you can see your form right here. So if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, publish this out, let's just go ahead and publish this page right here and see how this page would actually look. So let's just view the post right here. And once I do that, you can see the post with the form embedded, which is fully interactive, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the WordPress embed feature as needed right here. So if you want to learn more about how to work with WordPress, you can view my tutorial on WordPress as well from my playlists. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.